Today I will be talking to you about why your Carpenter bee trap might not be working. First, check to see if the nests are active. Are there Carpenter bees drilling holes anywhere? Are they constantly flying in and out of sheltered areas? Is there a male Carpenter bee protecting a hole? If the answer is yes, we got some work to do. Carpenter bees are extremely territorial. Once they have an established home, they will completely ignore the decoy nest, aka the trap. In order to fix this, we suggest that you treat the nest with a pesticide that you prefer and close the hole. Once the nest is closed, the Carpenter bees will search for a new home. Next, check the location of the trap. Is it getting bounced around by elements? Is it getting pelted by rain? Is it easily visible? If you can't see the trap, neither can the Carpenter bees. For the best results, hang the trap against a wall where it can only move in two directions. In addition, make sure it's under a sheltered area. Lastly, be patient. Not all Carpenter bee traps will work immediately. Some can take anywhere between a few hours to a few days. Carpenter bees have a really strong sense of smell. And remember, your Carpenter bee trap came from a warehouse that smells nothing like your outdoor environment. Our traps are 100% chemical free, so we rely on their senses to find the trap. In order to speed up the trap's effectiveness, try placing a Carpenter bee at the bottom of the trap. Carpenter bees are attracted to the scent of other Carpenter bees. If you don't have access to a dead Carpenter bee, try our Bealicious bee bait. If you have any additional questions about Carpenter bees or your products, feel free to email us at customersupport@bestbeebrothers.com. Thanks.